wood chucks. We seen one coming across the road when we drove in. Bobby's got his 22 and I got the bow and arrow. We're gonna give it a shot, see what we can do. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go get him.
What's going on?
25 yards.
25 yards? Let's go see.
We're gonna take a look. See blood? All over the leaves. There the arrow we came.
Where is it?
See? See it?
Uh-huh.
That's where he was standing, right here. I shot him. He didn't go
You
too
see him?
far down. I'm gonna stick my face in there yet. But I heard him right there. Heard him. I feel him. I feel him, Junior. You wanna take a look? Take a feel.
John's about to attempt. Go ahead, tell him what you're going to do, John.
Well, he's dead just about 3 feet in there, not even. I think about sticking my hand in there and pulling him out. Hope he's dead. If not, I have myself one sore finger. Touched
You
him.
felt him?
I felt something. Gonna make a little room here. Alright, just give it a pause.
Oh, could you reach him, you think?
I don't know. I'd like to see it first. The mighty woodchuck. Got some sharp teeth, you know. It's him. It's definitely a little more room. You're not running that thing, are you?
Yeah, I'm running it.
Where's the battery? Gotta dig out a little bit.
Hey, if you touched him and he didn't move, and he's still there, I would say that he's finished. You like sticking your
Yeah,
face?
I see him now.
You see him?
Yeah. Part of.
Well, get him.
Think you stick my hand there?
Yeah. Grab him. You stuck your face in there. Got him?
Touching him.
Yeah, you got him. He's dead.
That's his head. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know if he's dead? He would have bit you by now.
There
Would
he
have went
is.
deeper. Yeah. We got him. And we got it on film. The first woodchuck of the season with a bow and arrow. So tell a story, Junior. How'd you get him?
Oh, I snuck up on him, Bobby. See him sticking his head up on this mound?
Uh-huh.
Up around here. Got shot around 20 yards.
All right.
Went in the hole.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
All right.
Down.
get on film?
Yeah, got that on film.
You sure did.
I got another one, Junior.
Good shot. Look at him. Hey, there's one. He just popped his head up. You see him out there?
Oh, where?
Halfway out in the field.
Oh yeah, I see him, I see him. Miss.
Still out there. Popped up again.
Go ahead.
He popped up again.
Go ahead, take him. Shit, Bobby. You got him. Yeah.
Baby bear.
Way to go, Buffalo. Liata. This is a day's worth of woodchucks from a woodchuck hunt. Me and John both got these with both the 22 and the bow. John killed this one with the bow and this one with the 22. I got this one on the way out with the 22. Today's date is May 13th, time 6:10. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us. Until next time, enjoy our wild America.
Junior,
Yes, sir.
what are we doing today?
Well, it's 3:30 in the afternoon. We're going to go after some woodchucks. The grass looks a little high. Same place we came to last week. We're going to try to stalk them with the bow and arrow. And here's one right here, Bob. Bob, here's one right here.
Okay.
Bob, woodchuck.
All right. Okay. We'll try to get this on film. Junior, what happened?
Well, we're taking an introduction here, and woodchuck come out on the road.
How close did you get?
Take the long shots. I'll take the short shots.
All right.
Got your 22 handy?
Let's go do it.
go
Yes,
get
I
it.
do.
Got it? Missed him. Son of a bitch.
Did you get it on film?
There's a bolt hole.
What happened?
I have no idea. Bolt hole's right here. The woodchuck was right here. Must have been right in front of him.
Son of a gun. I get this guy. 2 weeks I've been after him. Go see if you got him.
No, I didn't see him. Where was he?
He was right there.
On the edge? Missed again?
Yes, I did.
Unbelievable.